Hello students, this is Meenakshi Rao here. This video is meant for BBA students of University of Mysore. The subject is Business Statistics 1, meant for 5th semester. The topic for the discussion is Spearman's rank, correlation, coefficient. So in this video, we will discuss the concept, property, application, formula, merits and demerits of Spearman's rank, correlation, coefficient. So Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, it was developed by Charles Edward Spearman. He developed the concept of correlation in the year 1904. Under this method, relationship between two variables are ascertained by assigning ranks to each items in the series. So original values are not considered, but based on the ranks, we calculate correlation. Ranks may be assigned in ascending order or descending order. Properties of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. The value of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient lies between +1 and -1. So Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is non-parametric. The sum of differences of rank between two variables is 0. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is interpreted in same way as Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. Now, application of Spearman's rank correlation, where it is applied. When the size of n is fairly small, not more than 30 sample size, this method is used. When the original data are in the form of ranks, when we don't know the shape of population distribution. When we don't know the shape of population distribution, this is a good method to be used for research. And when the data is of qualitative type, Spearman ranks correlation coefficient is used to measure the relationship. Now the formula to calculate Spearman's rank correlation is R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. So d is nothing but difference between the ranks. Difference between two ranks should be considered. N is number of observation. So value of R, as we know that it should lie between -1 and +1. Now types of problem. There are three types of problems under Spearman rank correlation when ranks are given. That is type 1. Type 2. When ranks are not given, we are supposed to assign the ranks without ties. That is, the values are not repeated. Type 3. When ranks are not given, we have to assign the ranks. That is, here the values are repeated. So with the ties, then what we are supposed to do. So let us understand these problems in the latter sessions. Merits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This method is simple and easier as compared to Karl Pearson method. This method is applicable for quantitative and qualitative data. The method can be applied to irregular data. So demerits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This method cannot be applied to grouped data. It ignores actual meaning of data. When paired observation increases, the calculation or computation becomes very difficult. It lacks precision because it does not use complete information. So these are some demerits of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. To conclude, we can say that Spearman's rank correlation coefficient can be applied for small samples, and when the data are in the form of ranks, it is better to use Spearman's rank correlation. So these are the books that you can refer, and to make this video I have referred these many books. Thank you for watching this video.